NAV, Flip-Down Windshield, part number 9, 9994, 2075, estimated assembly time 30 minutes. Place the windshield assembly on the edge of the dash shown. Lay the windshield assembly against the A-pillars. Fasten the top half of the windshield assembly to the A-pillars with the rubber hooks. Fasten the lower edge of the windshield using rivets. Wrap 2 clamps around the driver's side A-pillar. Fasten the windshield assembly to the clamps using a screw, washer, and clamp nut. Leave the hardware slightly loose to allow for adjustment. Tighten all clamp hardware. Repeat installation for the passenger side of the windshield. Flip the windshield down. Install the upper windshield panel using 5 Torx pan head screws. Note, do not over-tighten the screws. Enjoy your Kawasaki genuine accessory.